What's up mga tol? So another reaction and review na naman tayo for tonight's new trailer ng Joker Folie à Deux. Second installment na siya ng Joker film series ni Todd Phillips, starring Joaquin Phoenix, isa sa mga magagaling na method actors ng generation na to, at syempre ang outstanding and award-winning na si Lady Gaga. So panigurado papasok na naman yung discussion dito na kung saan sino ang pinakamagaling na Joker, si Jack Nicholson, Heath Ledger, Jared Leto, or si Cesar Romero. So kung ako yung tatanungin, para sa akin si Heath Ledger pa rin from the Batman trilogy by Christopher Nolan. Although yung siguro ma-advise ko sa mga tao, wag natin siguro sila yung compare kasi meron silang kanya-kanyang strengths and weaknesses, may kanya-kanyang storyline, may kanya-kanyang concept sila paano nila i-interpret yung Joker na character. Let's watch this.
2 years ago, the name Arthur Fleck hit Gotham like a hurricane.
The trial of the century.
They believe Arthur Fleck to be some kind of martyr. Well, he's not. There's a monster.
When you're smiling, when you're smiling,
when I first saw Joker, when I saw you,
the whole world smiles with you.
for once in my life, I didn't feel so alone anymore.
When you're laughing, for once in my life, I have someone who needs me.
How about you, Arthur? Do you still think you're a star?
Showtime.
You can do anything you want.
The sun comes.
You're Joker.
Look around! Look at all these people! I will no longer allow any of you to stop your sign to keep me down. Be happy again. I got the sneaking suspicion that we're not giving the people what they want.
It's okay, baby. Let's give the people what they want. Sing hallelujah. Come on, get happy. Get ready for the judgment day.
Oh. Curtain call. So tama nga hinala ko, medyo may pagka-musical siya. Maganda siya in an artistic way. May pagka-dark and twisted. Paano nabuo yung relationship nila na medyo nakakalungkot. Nakakuha ka ng partner in crime mo. Tapos parang sa inyo sa buhay, kahit si Raulo kayong dalawa. Parang nawawala na yung sense ng pagka-superhero or comic book film niya. Ang dami nangyayari. So sobrang nakaka-excite to. Parang partners in crime, Bonnie and Clyde, mga ganun. Mga sinaunang magjowa o mag-asawang kriminal. Of course, I'm not promoting violence. Ang pinapoint ako dito, yung originality ng film. Iba sila ng backstory from the past films or series or comics. So gusto ko dito yung nilagyan nila ng musical. Very dark, crime, tragedy film. Sobrang lakas ng kutob ko na maganda yung magiging hatid ng story na ito. It started as a single person na gusto magrebelde sa society, sa politics, sa discrimination. Tapos nakahanap siya ng partner niya. It's a very twisted romantic love story. Hindi pa rin nawala yung comic book feels. Well-known to mga characters na to. Mas naging ibabaw dito yung relationship nilang dalawa. Paano mag-build up, paano sila makilala, paano sila magkaroon ng backstory, and kung ano ang mangyayari mangyayari kapag nagsama na sila pareho. Okay, nakita ko na yung kamukha ko si Raul. It's you and me against the world. Wala pa ako maisip na theory ko ano yung magiging ending, sino yung mga characters na lalabas. Pero parang nakita ko din doon sa information ng trailer, nandun si Harvey Dent Merchant speech. Possibly makita natin ulit yung gaganap na Two-Face. Tapos iba din yung name ni Harley. Hindi siya si Dr. Harleen Quinzel. Parang Lee something. We'll see yung ginawa nilang originality sa story between these two lovers. Hoping for more DC dark films na ganito kasi dito talaga nagsa-stand out yung DC. Joker Folie à Deux, or in English, Madness for Two. Madness of Two. So guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Abang-abang lang tayo sa mga susunod pang reaction videos. Peace!